After 60, your collagen vanishes, and 90% of seniors have no clue. It's why their hands tingle. Knees hurt and legs feel weak by 65. You've already lost over 30%. That's why joints stiffen. Muscles shrink and pain creeps in. In this video, we reveal the 8 best collagen-rich vegetables ranked from least to most powerful, and number 3 rebuilds cartilage and cuts. Nerve pain by 40% in weeks. This is real science, and every study is linked below before we dive in. Where are you watching from, and are you feeling it more in your legs or hands? We're replying to every comment. Now let's start with vegetable number 8. And yes, it's probably already in your fridge. Number 8, red bell peppers. You may not think of bell peppers as a collagen booster, but they're one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, which your body needs to synthesize collagen after 60. Your collagen production slows dramatically, and without enough vitamin C, it nearly stops. Red bell peppers contain more than 150% of your daily vitamin C in just half a cup. That's critical, because this nutrient activates the enzymes that help convert amino acids into strong, elastic collagen fibers that protect your joints, blood vessels, and nerves. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with higher vitamin C intake had significantly better hand grip strength, faster walking speed, and lower inflammation markers. Vitamin C also protects collagen from breaking down, especially in areas like knees, wrists, and ankles, where wear and tear builds up over decades. And because red peppers also contain capsaicin, a powerful antioxidant, they help reduce the oxidative stress that damages joint tissue and surrounding nerves to get the full benefit. Eat red bell peppers raw or lightly sautéed. Cooking them too long destroys the vitamin C. Slice them into salads, pair with hummus, or add them at the end of a stir-fry. This one vegetable doesn't just flavor your food, it helps repair your tissues, protect your nerves, and slow down the collagen loss that's stealing your strength. Number 7, spinach. Spinach may be soft and leafy, but it's a collagen powerhouse hiding in plain sight, especially when it comes to restoring joint flexibility, improving circulation, and protecting the delicate nerves in your hands and legs. What makes spinach so essential after 60 isn't just its nutrients, it's how those nutrients work together to protect collagen fibers and keep your muscle and nerve tissue from breaking down. First, spinach is loaded with vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which helps regulate the genes involved in collagen production. Without vitamin A, your fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen, simply stop working efficiently. But what's even more important for seniors is spinach's high lutein and chlorophyll content, which help detox your tissues and reduce chronic inflammation. Two of the biggest enemies of collagen integrity as inflammation rises with age. It attacks the collagen-rich layers around your joints and nerves, leading to stiffness, burning, and the loss of that springy, flexible feeling in your legs and fingers. Spinach also provides a good dose of magnesium, a mineral that over 60% of older adults are deficient in. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve conduction, and collagen enzyme activity. Without it, your muscles cramp, your hands start tingling, and your joints don't get the blood flow they need to stay healthy. In fact, a 2018 study published in Biological Trace Element Research found that older adults with higher dietary magnesium intake had stronger connective tissue resilience and significantly lower rates of nerve compression syndromes like carpal tunnel and sciatica. And don't overlook spinach's nitrate content. Natural nitrates in spinach help widen blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery to hard-to-reach tissues like the hands, feet, and knees, areas often plagued by poor circulation and collagen deterioration. In older adults, better. Collagen-rich vegetables ranked. Real science. Red bell peppers, collagen, vitamin C. Study seniors' vitamin C intake. Spinach, collagen powerhouse, nutrient. Magnesium, muscle function, nerve conduction. Blood means faster collagen repair, reduced joint stiffness, and less of that pins and needles sensation that creeps in during rest, or walking if your knees ache when you walk or your hands tingle when you type. Spinach is a daily must. It's not just a leafy green, it's a vascular, muscular, and collagen-protective weapon. You're high. You grip. Okra might be the collagen-saving vegetable you've been missing, often overlooked because of its slimy texture. Okra is one of the most underrated healing vegetables for joint health, nerve protection, and collagen regeneration, especially for seniors over 60. What makes okra so powerful is its high content of mucilage, a thick gel-like soluble fiber that doesn't just aid digestion but also coats and cushions your joints, mimicking the natural synovial fluid that protects cartilage as collagen breaks down with age. Your joints become dry, brittle, and inflamed. That's when pain sets in. But the compounds in okra, including pectin, ramolgalacturonin, and polyphenols, help stimulate collagen production while reducing the oxidative stress that speeds up cartilage degeneration. In a 2021 study published in Blood means faster collagen repair, reduced joint stiffness, and less of that pins and needles sensation that creeps in during rest. Or walking if your knees ache when you walk or your hands tingle when you type. Spinach is a daily must. It's not just a leafy green, it's a vascular, muscular, and collagen-protective weapon. You're high. You grip okra might be the collagen-saving vegetable you've been missing, often overlooked because of its slimy texture. Okra is one of the most underrated healing vegetables for joint health, nerve protection, and collagen regeneration, especially for seniors over 60. What makes okra so powerful is its high content of mucilage, a thick gel-like soluble fiber that doesn't just aid digestion but also coats and cushions your joints, mimicking the natural synovial fluid that protects cartilage as collagen breaks down with age. Your joints become dry, brittle, and inflamed. That's when pain sets in. But the compounds in okra, including pectin, ramolgalacturonin, and polyphenols, help stimulate collagen production while reducing the oxidative stress that speeds up cartilage degeneration. In a 2021 study published in Pharmaceutical biology researchers found that okra extract significantly reduced joint inflammation, improved collagen density in connective tissue, and even regenerated damaged cartilage in animal models. This is critical because most seniors dealing with weak knees or tingling hands aren't just losing muscle. They're losing the collagen framework inside the joints and nerve sheath. Okra directly supports the repair of those soft tissues. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese, all essential coactors in the collagen-building process. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium, so it goes to the bones and not the joints. Vitamin C boosts the enzymatic process needed to build new collagen fibers, and manganese plays a direct role in forming proline, one of collagen's most important building blocks. Without these nutrients working together, collagen can't rebuild no matter how much protein you're eating. Plus, okra contains quercetin and flavonoids that help protect your nerves from oxidative damage. That's important for anyone dealing with numbness, burning, or weakness in the legs. Feet or hands, these symptoms often come from deteriorating connective tissue. Not just nerve damage, and okra helps slow that process down for seniors with aching knees, tingling fingers, or stiffness in the morning. Okra isn't just a side dish. It's a natural plant-based repair system for your collagen, your joints, and your nerves. Number 5, broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a healthy green vegetable, it's one of the most powerful natural tools for rebuilding tendons, ligaments, and collagen-rich tissue in aging bodies. After 60, your collagen matrix becomes brittle. You may start feeling popping knees, stiff ankles, or even numbness in your fingertips. That's not just wear and tear. It's a breakdown of the structural protein that holds your muscles and joints together, and broccoli helps stop it. What makes broccoli so effective is its extremely high content of sulforaphane, a compound found in cruciferous vegetables that triggers your body's detox and repair genes. In a 2020 study published in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, sulforaphane was shown to protect collagen, producing fibroblasts, reduce inflammation in connective tissue, and accelerate healing in damaged cartilage for seniors. This means stronger knees, better grip strength, and more resilience in tendons that are slowly fraying with age. But sulforaphane isn't acting alone. Broccoli also delivers vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, all of which play critical roles in collagen formation, bone protection, and reducing oxidative stress inside the joints. These nutrients not only boost your body's ability to produce new collagen, but also shield existing fibers from being broken down by inflammation, arthritis, or poor circulation. Broccoli even supports nerve health, which is crucial for anyone experiencing tingling, burning, or numbness in their hands and legs. The antioxidants in broccoli reduce oxidative damage around nerves, especially in the extremities, helping restore proper nerve signaling, and reduce flare-ups caused by deteriorating connective tissue combined with its high fiber content. Broccoli also helps regulate blood sugar, which is key because elevated glucose accelerates collagen glycation, making your tissues stiff and more prone to injury. If your knees creak, your hands feel weak, or your legs don't move like they used to, broccoli should be on your plate every single day. It's not just a vegetable, it's a nerve protector, joint restorer, and collagen regenerator for seniors who want to stay mobile and independent for years to come. Number 4, beets. If your legs feel cold, heavy, or tingle when you walk, you may not have a muscle problem, you may have a circulation and collagen problem. And beets are one of the most powerful vegetables to fix. Both at the same time, most seniors don't know this. But poor blood flow starves your collagen-producing cells, slowing down tissue repair and weakening everything from your knees to your fingertips. Beets directly combat this by improving nitric oxide production, which opens up your blood vessels, increases oxygen delivery, and restores nutrient flow to joints, nerves, and muscle tissue. Beets are packed with nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. In a 2019 study published in Nutrients, older adults who consumed beet juice daily saw a 21%